Even a moment's homage to a self-cultured person excels worship of 100 years. Dhammapad 106. One may make sacrifice every month for 100 years, but the honor paid to one spiritually developed person for one moment is greater than obtains made for 100 years. Monthly by monthly for 100 years, 1,000, one might sacrifice, but if for only a moment one might honor the self-developed, such honor then were better by far than century of sacrifice. Dhammapad 106. Mase mase sahaseno jo jojetho sattong samong ekoncho bhavitot tanong muhurtamo pi pujoye saebo pujana seong jonse basasya tong hutong. Dhammapad 106.